everybody, how's it going? It's Mike here again. So I got another project on the go, and I just thought I'd share it with you. Not so much of a nice day how it was with my last video. Temperatures did cool down and overcast. As you can see, cloudy. We had a little bit of rain showers earlier. It's a little cool, but hey, not going to stop me from doing some work. Especially this project here, kind of expanding on some services with my with Bush Green, and I got something new that I need to put together. We might just have a special guest too. We'll see. All right, let's check it out what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I picked up, well, you can already see a 48-inch Tine Dethatcher. So I was debating and talked it over with some other people on what to get and whatever, and I don't know, I'm kind of on a budget anyway with this one, since I'm spending some money on another piece of equipment which will be coming in the next few weeks. I think I want to kind of leave that as a surprise. Some of you might know, but it does involve a process of cleaning up lawns along with this dethatcher. So what I'm thinking about doing too, so I got this last year. You guys seen it probably in another video a long time ago. I just thought I'll pick it up because I had an idea last year. I want to try and somehow hook up a hitch on the stander, right? Maybe something universal that I can take off, clamp onto this one if I wanted to. So yeah, I don't know. Just going to come up with some ideas and then see. But this video is not about that right now. It's going to be about putting this thatcher together. Okay, so let's see what happens. Hey, look who just walked in. Who's this guy? This is Justin Little, Little's Lawn Care. How you doing, Justin?
Good, you?
Good. I think Justin came here to finish my project for me. I'm going to sit back and have a beer. Actually, Justin's drinking a beer already. So, yeah. Everything good?
Oh, yeah. You?
Yeah. Everything's fine. Yeah. So, yeah, I think Justin's going to give me a hand here with the Thatcher. And we'll see what happens.
Did he tell you what, maybe use different bolts?
Yeah, you got to use the 2-inch. So these ones. This hitch bracket. So the 2 holes to the back.
Like this?
Yeah. So that's what I'm wondering, if it's supposed to go in between these bolts and then you tighten it and the pressure holds it. It doesn't really, because you see the little lines, right? Guess what? Justin's here.
Get the mechanic to do everything.
Because I have no idea what I'm doing. He does. I'm gonna go over to the barn and see what we have for extra wheels. Don't really like the wheels that came with the Thatcher. Plastic. What do you think, Justin?
I think that they'll break.
Oh, for sure. If you're gonna use it for commercial use, yeah, probably. Like residential, if you're gonna use it.
In your yard, what, twice a year?
Yeah, exactly. So we have a, I don't know if I'll call it a hidden gem. But, well, Justin seems to like it because he has this too. So you guys will see in a second what we're talking about. And I've been hiding it, and yeah, it just keeps on reappearing in my videos. Check it out. I still have the tape over the name of it. So it's that mower jack. What do you think, Justin? You think these wheels will work?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I don't know. Justin's the guy. He knows. He'll know. We can try, right?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah. All right. I'm glad it's you, Justin, pushing it and not me. Because everybody knows I want nothing to do with this thing. Okay, I'll use the wheels. That's pretty much it.
Oh, we can cut it up and use it for the hitch.
Oh, you can use the metal and fabricate something. What do you think?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe we can make like a welding table or something out of it.
It might fall apart.
Oh, man. All right, we'll be right back.
Corey's gonna hate us.
All right, let's see what happens here. What do you need?
Pair of pliers.
Will that work?
I don't know if this is gonna work.
Sorry?
I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll find out.
I don't have the best tools here, but
It's like half an inch too short. Sorry, my knife. Look at the size difference.
yeah, these are probably shorter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's skinnier too. I wonder. Oh, these are welded right on. If we got a rod or something, you know, and have it threaded on the ends, so it's just a rod going right through it. You know what I mean?
Or something like that.
Yeah, welding on. Get a weld on this, probably not, probably melt, right?
I probably could. Then just have this rotating, or have it so it just goes through this much, like two little things, cockpit of some sort.
Well, if you think you could fab something, then take her away. And we'll finish the project at your house.
Oh, all with the blood and crying now.
Yeah. you need a Band-Aid? Want some toilet paper or something? There's a vacuum.
It's not like $1 million here in Canada. I like it. This do not tighten yet. So now it's saying to flip it over.
Yeah. So I have a Canadian first aid kit here. Here you go, Justin. Take care of your cut.
You know this stuff's like $1 million, Mike.
You know what? This is perfect, Justin. I got the Canadian flag right behind you. There you go. Do you got enough, or do you want another roll?
Oh, I think one roll is good enough.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. All right, buddy. So we finished putting the thatcher together.
4 hours later.
4 hours? I thought it was about 4.5 hours.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Well, we had an interruption too. Lynn came out here, and we had to pet my dog, and yeah. Anyway, we got the thatcher together. We just have to fine tune it. It's not perfect by all means. We might have to loosen some bolts and tighten them again. But yeah, we're working on fabbing a hitch for the John Deere stand-on. I'm sure somebody else out there made one before or whatever, but we want to make our own. And Justin's a professional welder, so.
Yeah, kind of.
Justin's camera shy. You remember the first time you made a video? Oh, you never made a video yet, right? For YouTube, yeah. I know how it feels. I'm putting Justin under pressure here, but you know, I got his consent anyway to be on this video, so that's all right.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about this? Like putting the thatcher together?
Went together all right.
Yeah, I think so. Well, we only had one bloody finger, so that's
yeah, a little bit of crying.
Just a little bit of crying. We had some toilet paper on the scene, and yeah, don't ask. Well, you've seen it already in the video. So anyway, Justin's going to be heading out, and I really appreciate you coming over, man, and helping me out. It's the first time I've met Justin in person, but you know, Justin and I had been talking for a long time, and we've been in live streams before, and you know, some of you that are watching right now have met Justin before too in live streams, and yeah. But you're going to see a lot more of Justin. We're going to be working together on some projects, some cleanups coming up. And, of course, we're going to finish this hitch idea that we have. And
so we can use it.
So we can use it. So we can make money with this thatcher. You got to get some cinder blocks, too, for it. But
I might have some at home.
Cool. That's good. They're free then.
Yeah.
Well, Justin might charge me to, rent or something. But anyway, okay. So thanks a lot, Justin. You want to say anything? No? Peace. All right. Cool. All right. So I hope you everyone enjoyed that video. That was kind of cool. Like I said, we're gonna have a special guest, and Mr. Justin Little came over from Little's Lawn Care. So he's local. He's about I think 45 minutes away from me, northeast, and we're going to be getting together more often, and we're actually going to be doing some jobs soon together, like some cleanup jobs, might be doing some aeration jobs together, and lots of fun. He helped me out big time finishing the toe behind thatcher, so we got that together. So Justin has his exact same machine, the 36-inch stand-on, the John Deere one. So we're fabbing a hitch for it right now. There's no hitch on it now. I just kind of leaned it up against the platform. So yeah, so we'll get that done eventually. That'll be kind of exciting anyway. That'll be another video anyway with that. So anyway, I just wanted to finish off this video, and hope everybody enjoyed that. And yeah, until next time, be nice to everyone. Do something nice for someone today, and peace to everyone. All right? We'll see you all soon.